Hi there, it's Bonnie Collins, and welcome to my channel. On this channel, we'll be talking about everything to do with emerging technology, such as artificial intelligence and blockchain. We'll also be diving deep into digital marketing as well. I've been involved in digital marketing for the past 10 years with some of the great award-winning internet marketers of our time, and I am pleased to be able to share and impart my knowledge with you on this channel. And I look forward to working with you. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you about is something called NotebookLM, which is a well, a few weeks out app from Google. Now, without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and we'll dive in. So we're going to go to notebooklm.google.com, and I'm going to open a new notebook here. It says upload sources. So I have this paper from Harvard on Introduction to Quantum Mechanics. It happens to be chapter 10. It's a 20-page document, and NotebookLM can deal with this quite well. So I'm going to upload this. Now, I can also, just to show you, I can also upload from a Google Drive. So, for example, we could upload from Google Drive, upload from Google Slides, from Google Docs, Google Slides. We can upload from a link, like a website, or from a YouTube link, which is really handy if you're trying to consume a lot of information very quickly, or we can just simply paste text. So in this video, I chose to upload a source just for speed, really. And that source has now been uploaded. It's waves.quantum.pdf. I can upload more sources just by pressing the plus button. This creates a summary. It creates a FAQ, a study guide, a table of contents, a timeline, and a briefing document. So a lot of documents included. But we can also generate a deep dive conversation between two people as a podcast. So NotebookLM does this. We're totally hands off. We don't have to do anything. It is now generating the conversation, and we'll be back in a second with the generated conversation. Hey, so now our audio's done. So what I'm going to do is play that audio for you to have a listen, and just for the first few minutes, and then I'm going to talk about use cases and other applications of NotebookLM. Just a second, just press play.
All right, so we are diving into quantum mechanics today.
You sent over some really interesting excerpts from a physics textbook.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I've got to say, I'm a little nervous to tackle this one.
Yeah.
But good thing we have you here to help unpack it all.
Okay.
So are you ready to jump in?
Yeah, let's jump in.
Okay, perfect.
So the first thing that jumped out at me from this material is this idea that quantum mechanics at its core is just another system governed by a wave equation.
Which, I mean, that feels kind of wild, right? Like,
Yeah.
Are we really saying we can understand the behavior of tiny particles like electrons and quarks and whatever by thinking about things like ocean waves or the vibrations of a guitar string?
That's a great question. And
so there you have it. Quantum mechanics explained very easily in a very palatable way by NotebookLM. So NotebookLM, it can be used for academic research, it can be used for content creation, it can be used for affiliate, to really maximize your affiliate links. It can be used for professional development, to help you manage client relationships through call summaries or project notebooks. It can help you with personal projects. You can organize your travel plans or your hobbies, or consolidating information into one spot, one notebook, as it were. Basically, there's so much to do. What you can do is you can upload documents and you can summarize them. So uploading documents, again, this is where you upload documents. There's an interactive chat functionality to allow you to engage in a conversational format with the AI right here. Let me show you right here. So we can ask about the questions that they've suggested, or we can ask our own questions. We can create all sorts of resources with this by adding more PDFs, by adding more videos, by adding Google Docs, etc. We can generate ideas. So it's not limited to summarization. It can also assist us in brainstorming new ideas or new creative concepts. It can help us ground the source that users select to ensure the responses are relevant and contextually accurate. So what that means is that you can take a whole load of voices and in order to ground whatever points you're making. Share these notebooks with others through the links above. And this is free. Use it for script writing for videos or for generating content ideas tailored to specific themes. So it's really helpful, useful. It's actually a wonderful, wonderful tool. And it seems to totally crush ChatGPT right now and Claude AI in terms of the type of output it can give. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks. Bye for now.